Hey, let's take a look at something called Morph Target in ZBrush. What is it and when would you use it? So I like to use it whenever I add details to a subdivided subtool. So for example, here I have the head of my robot. If I drop it down to level 1, you can see this is currently the topology for my mesh. If I go to level 7, I have a lot more points, and that is going to allow me to create details on the surface of the robot's head. So using the chisel brush, let's say I want to go to the front of my character, and let's say I want to create more panel design. Let's say I want to do something like this. As long as I don't release my mouse and continue dragging, all the lines seemingly connect together beautifully. But as soon as I release it, and I want to come up here and I want to continue dragging this line, this is where morph targets come into play. Take a look. If I just simply start dragging right now, it's going to create this effect where you have a double intersection, right? The lines are not beautifully connecting like they are here. They're creating this additional hole when they first intersect. And this is going to be a problem because every single time you release to continue dragging your line, right, is going to be a big, ugly problem. If I come here and go to Morph Targets and just simply say Store Morph Target, I can now attempt the same exact thing. Let me just create a quick panel, just like I had before. And this time, when I go to the very end of my line, take a look. Whenever I try to continue, it's not going to create that double intersection, which will allow me to easily continue dragging my lines infinitely around the shape without any issues. Another super useful tip for this, if you are doing something similar, come here to lazy snap and make sure you turn that on, and that will snap to your last point and continue dragging your line wherever you left off.